Welcome to Warrior Work. I'm Coach Hill with Coach John today. In this leader Balintawak drill series number 4, we're going to do some more takeaways. So we start off from our basic position. And again, we have our basic drills, 12. And again, you can add in the other things you've been doing, the double striking. Okay, from here, from this number 2 strike, first takeaway is we just let our stick come in, switch our hands, and then we do a double push. And then it's a good time to add the drill. Block as you had the slice drill that we did from last time, from drill 3. Okay. Same thing, number 12. From here we can do another version where I'm going to take my left hand over the stick. His stick comes in on my fingers and I push away. Again, I'm in position to do whatever I want. My double striking, okay? And then number 3, same position, I'm going to drop the stick and take it and come down away. So you have a basic disarm. If he has a stick and I don't have a stick, he does that strike on this side. Okay, I can move in and double block the fists, okay, and do the disarm from there. Again, basic from the wrist locks and throws. You use the 2 knuckles underneath. That position there opens the hand up. Just thinking of drawing an X on the hand from the rear knuckle to the hand. Or as he comes with that strike, I can really come in strong and strike as I use that takeaway with my entire arm to go under. It works the exact same way. So all 4 of those are all basically the same number 1 wrist throw defense right here. Okay, so we did it with the stick, we did it with the hand, we did it with dropping our stick, throwing a stick up in the air. We did it by coming all the way and charging in here, striking. Kids were moving that forearm out of the way. And again, it's that outward circle here that you can see does that stick. If I trap it here, I've got a lock as well. Okay, so the chi style that we're going to be doing in upcoming segments and the locks all pull in to the Balintawak leader drills as we go. So play with it, have fun, be a leader, explore and test it. We'll see you next time.